Hi, I'm Jackie. I am the creative director at Makesy, and we are so excited to partner with Suna. What I know about Suna is it is a one-stop shop for all production, video, photography needs for any small to medium or even large business. You send in your products, and in return you can schedule a shoot, a remote shoot if you want to, or go to a local Suna branch and shoot product photography for your website, marketing images for social media, also GIFs, videos, maybe even if you need headshots done for your company. You can do all of that through Suna. At Makesy, it's our goal to help you grow. Come to Suna and use the promo code Makesy, where you can save on Suna products and services. We want people to feel excited and motivated and positive and also encouraged and inspired. So we want them to ultimately feel creative and confident in what they're doing and where they're going. Makesy is a place to get you making. Your one-stop shop for all of your making supplies, or you're looking for how-to guides or videos on how to make a candle, a soap, a bath and body product, anything. We're here to get you making and get you inspired and provide you with all the business services and tools so you can get going.